Who doesn't want to build bigger and stronger biceps? But achieving those beautiful biceps doesn't come easy. You need the right workouts and a lot of dedication. In today's video, I'll guide you through the top 9 workouts for beginners that will help you build bigger biceps fast. Stay tuned till the end because I'll also share essential tips to maximize your biceps workout results. Before jumping into the biceps exercises, it's crucial to start with a proper warm-up. Warming up prevents injuries and helps your workout be more effective, so never skip it. Now let's dive into the 9 powerful biceps workouts. I'll demonstrate each one so you can follow along easily. First up, the barbell curl. This is a classic biceps exercise. Here's how to do it correctly. Add a suitable weight, grip the bar and curl it up towards your shoulders. Keep your form tight and don't swing the bar. Barbell curl, 3 sets of 10, 12 or 15 reps. Next is the cable curl, perfect for shaping your biceps. Attach a straight bar to the cable machine, grip it firmly and curl while keeping your chest up and back straight. Cable curl, 3 sets of 10, 12 or 15 reps. Now let's move on to the dumbbell curl. This exercise isolates each arm, ensuring balanced strength. Hold the dumbbells at your sides and curl them up diagonally to your shoulders, keeping your elbows close to your body. Dumbbell curl, 3 sets of 10, 12 or 15 reps. The dumbbell hammer curl is similar but targets a different part of your biceps. Keep your palms facing each other and curl the dumbbells up while maintaining straight wrists. Dumbbell hammer curl, 3 sets of 10, 12 or 15 reps. Chin-ups are an excellent bodyweight exercise for biceps and overall upper body strength. Grip the bar with your palms facing you and pull your body up until your chin is above the bar. Chin-up, 3 sets, no rep limit. Incline. Curls provide a great stretch to your biceps. Set the bench at an incline, hold the dumbbells and curl them up slowly, keeping your elbows back. Incline curl, 3 sets of 10, 12 or 15 reps. Preacher curls are fantastic, but require caution to avoid injuries. Rest your arms on the preacher bench and curl the barbell up while keeping your movements controlled. Preacher curl, 3 sets of 10, 12 or 15 reps. Concentration curls focus on one arm at a time, allowing you to target the biceps deeply. Sit down, rest your elbow on your thigh, and curl the dumbbell up towards your shoulder. Concentration. Curl 3 sets of 10, 12 or 15 reps. Lastly, the high cable biceps curl. This is great for isolating the biceps. Set the cable high, grip the handles, and curl towards your head level. High cable biceps. Curl 3 sets of 10, 12 or 15 reps. Remember, do only 4 different exercises per biceps workout day and limit your biceps session to 45 minutes. Stay hydrated, lift heavier weights progressively, and make sure to get enough protein. Consistency is key, so stick to a routine and watch your biceps grow. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more fitness tips, and share it with friends who want bigger biceps. See you in the next video.